Hello, and welcome back to Davos video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create these buttons here at the top to navigate quickly between your favorite wikis. Now that we have created this new wiki, I will add the wiki to my favorites bar. To do this, navigate to the Wiki tab. Next, navigate to Favorites. Click on Add Wiki. Whichever wiki you are currently working in will automatically be titled here, and the appropriate file path will be auto-populated. Next, select Open in New Window. This means that each time that you click on one of these buttons, rather than closing out of your current wiki and opening a new instance of the selected wiki, WikidPad will instead open a second window so that both may remain open simultaneously. Next, click Just Bring to Front if already open. This is convenient if you have multiple wikis open at once and you want to quickly navigate between them. Rather than navigating down to the taskbar and sifting through the open wikis, you can simply click on the desired wiki above, and if it's already open, it will be brought to the forefront of the screen. Next, we want to select Show in Toolbar. This setting here tells WikidPad that you want this wiki to be present in the toolbar. Next, we choose a position. I will choose position 4. Be careful not to choose a position of an already existing wiki button. Next, I will select an icon. Then select OK. As you can see, our test wiki is now present in the bar. I have also done this with the WikidPad Help page, provided by WikidPad, and also found under the Help button. To demonstrate, I will click on the WikidPad Help, and it opens a second instance of WikidPad on my computer with the Help page. Now, if I want to navigate back to my test wiki, I merely have to select the button, and we're back to where we started. To remove a wiki from the Favorites toolbar, navigate to the Wiki tab, go to Favorites, select Manage Favorites, and you will be brought to the Favorite Wikis page. This page can also be found in the tree if you navigate to Views, down to Functional Pages, and you select Favorite Wikis at the bottom. Next, to remove the page, simply highlight the desired wiki and delete it from the page. The next time you save your wiki or navigate to a different page, the wiki you removed will disappear from the toolbar button. I just saved this wiki, and you can see that now the plus sign representing the test wiki has been eliminated. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we encourage you to leave any comments and questions you may have below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Godspeed.